Okay, so automation of campaigns. Next part is the creative hub. So creative hub is basically a part when you will be working with the teams or you are acting as agency and different people are working for you. So how you can basically got the things. Again, from the ads manager, we have a creative hub option here. So scroll down this one, creative hub. Simply go to creative hub. Okay, so what this creative hub will do, so you can create the dummy campaigns here with proper images, proper ad copies, and all the things. And you can send those to your, just example, the clients to see those. So just example, create a mockup. So just example, the designer send you the images and the copywriter created some of the copies. So simply select the Facebook page here, then upload that image or video here. So these are the original things. Then put the proper ad copy here. So headline, test, headline. Okay, then if you add the description, you can add. And the next is you can put your website URL here. And now you can see, so for all the Facebook ads placement, so it will show you the ad results for each of the
Okay.
placements, how it will look like. And you can share these directly with your team or with the clients, and they can see the ads before going live. And once they approve those, and then you can simply uh, activate this. So you can use this
Okay.
option, show in Ads Manager, and these will automatically be appearing in your Ads Manager.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the Creative Hub option. And then